Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the sound from your earbuds shutters or is intermittent. You have to start by open EARFUN Audio app. Because we need to check if you have the latest software version. Go click at your earbuds and then scroll down. In About we have version, you need to tap at this line. And it said that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, I recommend it to install a new one. In this window you can do this. Next step is only for Android, so you need to open application and you need to find connection quality. So you need to disable DAC if you have it enabled or enable DAC if you have it disabled. You can do this only on Android because on iOS we have no information about it. Next step is to disable a theater mode, so it's spatial audio. Just disable, maybe because of that you have a problem. And also I recommend it to disable dual connection, because with dual connection you may have connection instability. So just tap one time at the slider near to it and you need to disable it. If it didn't help you, next step is to perform a software set. To perform a software set, put your earbuds to the charging case and close the case. Your earbuds now disconnected from the phone, and after that just open the charging case and check is it fixed. You can remove it and check. If it didn't help you, we need to perform a factory set. To perform a factory set, you need to also put your earbuds to the charging case, but this time do not close the case. At the bottom near to USB-C port we have connectional button. You need to press and hold at this button until the LED light flash purple, so it's something like 8 seconds. Press and hold. First let's start blinking blue, it's okay, just enter to panic mode, just keep holding this connectional button. Here we go. Now you can release your finger and then we need to reconnect them with the phone. So go to the settings. Then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have it. So maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth. And after factory reset, these earbuds enter to panic mode automatically, so you will see them as device list. Also on iOS, on some Android phones without Pair New Device button, you can try to turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. Now tap at your earbuds. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!